Hello, everyone. I hope you are enjoying our virtual trade show. My name is Justin Brown. I'm with the AWRF Board of Directors, and I'll be moderating the rest of today's sessions. The afternoon is absolutely loaded with great products and information, and we're starting now with the Peerless Group. So right now I'd like to hand it over to Peerless for their meeting.
Thanks, Justin. Karl, can you hear everything okay?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead and start.
Okay. Okay, that come up good, Christy?
Yep, you're good.
Perfect. Hi, I'm Karl Wallen with the Peerless Custom Lifting Division. Today, I'd like to take a little bit of time to talk about our below the hook and material handling equipment that we offer. So with that, we have I'm going to cover off on a facility tour video. So we got a great video of our facility, shows our fine folks there that manufacture the equipment, give you a nice little sneak peek behind the doors. I'm going to talk a little bit about product features and benefits of our below the hook products, talk about the sales tools that we offer to help sell, and then we're going to talk about some product standards and training that we offer, and then time for questions after. With that, let me start out with our video of our facility.
Peerless Industrial Group is the leading designer and manufacturer of below-the-hook lifting and material handling equipment. Lifting, material handling devices, and chain are used in almost every type of manufacturing and construction environment and are used in conjunction with hoists, cranes, and fork trucks, along with standalone applications. Our factory, located in South Holland, Illinois, manufactures Peerless high-quality overhead lifting and material handling solutions. The facility is equipped with the most up-to-date manufacturing processes and equipment in areas such as machining, metalworking, and welding. All welding, both GTAW and GMAW, is performed by welders certified for carbon, alloy, stainless, and other specialty metals. Below-the-hook lifting devices are welded in accordance with AWS standards and ASME BTH1 specifications. Our engineering staff has over 30 years of industry experience assisting customers with custom lifting solutions, complying with ASME B30.20 BTH1 requirements. Standard products are designed to ASME BTH1 Design Category B, Service Class 2. Greater design categories and service classes are available. Our qualified staff has the expertise to design and manufacture high-quality products quickly and competitively to satisfy the individual requirements of customers within many diverse industries. All Peerless below-the-hook lifting devices are tagged in accordance with ASME B30.20 and are proof tested to 125% capacity, meeting OSHA requirements, with certificates supplied at no additional cost. Select equipment from our comprehensive standard product catalog, or we can design and manufacture a custom lifting device to fit your specific application. With over 100 years of experience, our sales, engineering, and manufacturing staff are available to solve all of your below-the-hook lifting and material handling equipment needs. Contact your nearby Peerless distributor or visit our website at peerlesschain.com. Peerless Industrial.
Perfect. Okay, with that, we'll move on and talk a little about features and benefits. By the way, our facility is located in South Holland, Illinois, just outside of Chicago. So very centrally located for shipping purposes for below the hook across the US. Some of the features and benefits in our products. All of our products we design in the industry leading features. So as standards change, we'll update our designs in accordance. As you can see, the photo on the left is a picture of a machine bail. So all of our below the hook lifters, we machine a radius into the inside edge of the bail, so it fits properly on the saddle of the hook. That way, it minimizes the amount of damage that can be caused to a hook by the lifter. So that's a great feature there. We also, in the middle photo, you can see an example of parent metal design. So those two little blocks sitting below the Peerless That's actually part of the lifting lug below. So we actually cut up through the I-beam, slide that lug in, weld on the top and bottom. So a much stronger design on this, and we offer that on the Service Class 2 product. And then your photo on the right is a great example of our heavy duty drive packages. We offer heavy duty drive standard on all of our below the hook lifters. As you can see, that's a photo of one of our sheet lifters, direct drives, not a chain drive, heavy duty gearboxes, larger pinion gears, and just a much better, heavier duty design drive package as a standard. And listed on the bottom, and as you heard in the video, proof testing is offered at no additional charge. We provide that on all of our standard BTH products per OSHA 1926 with certificate supplied. So that's always a great advantage there. Some of the other things we do, I know we talked about standard products, and you saw a lot of standard products in our facility in the video, but we provide a lot of custom lifting solutions specific to the application. As always, when we do our design, safety is our #1 priority. We offer a direct factory direct sales team as well to help you with field product training and field application support. So rather than trying to figure out what your customer needs, if it's a complex lifting solution, we can actually go there on site and help you with that for our distributors. We have a knowledgeable engineering department that can help with and assist with the application. Many times you're struggling with trying to figure out, well, what do I need to lift with this? And you're trying to pick something out. All you need to do is send us a drawing or a picture or some dimensions of what your customer is picking up, and our engineering department will go through and find a solution that'll work. All of our welders are individually certified and tested on the material that they marry. Product shipped on custom shipping pallets. We do not reuse any pallets. Everything is shipped out. We'll put do not stack cones. We do everything possible to make sure that it shows up at your customer's facility just like it did when it left ours. And then we only sell through qualified distribution. So you're not going to be out there competing peerless quotes with multiples as far as that goes. And then, as always, quality is always a key component in every part of our process in manufacturing. You'll see that within our products, quality. Some of the sales tools we offer, mentioned before, and you got a little picture of it in the video, is the Peerless BTH product catalog. Catalog's loaded with standard products, custom application forms to help you. So if you have to go out and do a customers looking for a sheet lifter, there's a form in there that will help you do it, or a coil lifter, or a spreader beam, or a lifting beam. All that's in there that'll help you with easy questions to make you feel like you're the expert when you're walking in your customer's facility. We also put industry standards, operating practices, and inspection criteria in the book. Those are always great to review with the end user as you're walking through a facility, explaining the why. And then we also have a little section in there on ASME preventive maintenance. Catalogs are pretty easy to read. An SSLB, pretty simple, short span lifting beam. We put the product features and benefits right on the page for you. We show you clearly labeled drawings, easy to follow charts. An SSLB 0.25-1 product number is very easy to translate. It's a short span lifting beam, 1/4 ton capacity, 1 foot in length. So try to make everything as simple as possible. Another sales tool that we offer is our Distributor BTH stand program. And that's a photo of it there, one of our distributors on the right. The beam stand holds the model UNVB, or universal lifting spreader beam, ideal for lifting in whether it's construction, outdoor applications, or indoor as a lifting beam. Standard capacities are 1/4 to 7 ton and 4 to 12 feet, even though we do specials off of this particular size. So there's 18 standard sizes. Always, as with all of our Peerless product, proof test certificates are supplied. And as you see, the model UNVB is an I-beam construction. The two smaller models, are 1/4 ton and 1/2 ton standards, are made out of square tube. But other than that, all the rest of them are made out of I-beams. We know that these are used in mostly by contractors who come in and want an instant need. So we build a nice, bigger, stronger, universal lifting beam for your customer in that situation. So I-beam construction. Some of the benefits the stand program does, you know, one of the primary things when your customer walks in, it gives them a nice visual reminder that you are there. You can fulfill all their below the hook needs. You're their source for that. So it's also an education piece. You can walk over and show your customer how a below the hook lifting device should be labeled and shall be labeled actually under ASME and OSHA regulations. Provide your customer, and these are ready for sale. They're not display items, they are for sale items. So when they walk in, they have an immediate need, boom, there's your beam right there. Got them on the rack, 3 different sizes. The UNBB can be configured in a lot of different ways. You know, it's as a lifting beam where you're just lifting from the center, where headroom's limited, maybe inside a facility. As a spreader beam, so you can see the lower photo, you've got rigging, upper rigging there that splits that part, makes the beam a lot more stable. And you can use it as an adjustable bail. So in the top photo, I show you a picture of a shackle on the top is moved over to the left to help center it with the CG of that load. And then in both photos show you that it can be used as a 3 or 4 point lifting beam system. So, and in fact, you could probably as a 3 point or a 4 point, use the 3 beams that are right there located and put them together. So, and what we have seen from distributors that have our beam stands in their facilities, they do realize an increase in below the hook sales. So we see that in other products, not just the UNBB increase in sales, but additional below the hook. Some of the training programs we offer, I do these programs on site at your distributor location. We have an intro to BTH products designed for that salesperson that's brand new. I mean, we're all getting back out there. We're all starting to visit our customers again and going back into facilities. There might be a lot of new folks that have entered the industry. The intro to BTH product is a great program for that. We also do a more advanced sales program. And then I have a program on how to sell BTH products. So there, if you've kind of gone through and you know BTH, but how do I go into a facility and make it and maybe have a lot of products in there that need to be replaced? How do I approach that situation and in the most effective ways? We talk about BTH standards, inspection criteria, and operating practices right at the end user with our distributor partners, educating the customer on what the standards are and why do they need to maybe replace the homemade devices that are in their facility with ones that are actually designed in accordance to the standards. And then I also do a program where I cover BTH inspection. And we do an overview on products about look for that distributor that might be interested in doing BTH inspections. As we know, all BTH products are required to have a written documented inspection at least annually or semi-annually. So it's a great opportunity. If you're not doing inspections, it might be something that you might want to look into. And then you can't put anything past the Peerless Academy. Peerless Academy, that's out there. That's a tremendous opportunity for you to come in and actually I'm going to show you a video on the Peerless Academy. It's just it's a great training opportunity for your sales folks.
Peerless Industrial Group presents the Peerless Academy. Join us for a day and a half as we enhance our customers' experience, covering material and information on the various product categories that Peerless offers, including an in-depth plant tour with visual applications showing each attending the process of chain making. Instructed by industry experts, the Peerless Academy provides the tools necessary to effectively promote and demonstrate the features and benefits that make Peerless Industrial Group the market leader. Increase your knowledge of Peerless products and services as experts lead presentations on each of the 6 Peerless product categories: overhead lifting, below the hook and material handling equipment, cargo control, hardware, chain and accessories, marine and traction. Peerless proudly invites their customers to attend. All you need to do is get yourself to Winona, Minnesota, and we'll take care of the rest. Interested? Contact your Peerless sales representative for more information.
And with that, We'll open it up if there's any questions. Of course, if you have questions later on, you can always contact your Peerless sales rep. He can help you, or she can help you with any of their BTH catalogs, beam stand program, any information you'd like on training programs. We're here to help you. We want to not just sell your product, we want to help grow your business and be your sales partner out there in the BTH product line. So with that, thank you. And I want to extend thank you to AWRF for giving us this opportunity to present. Without you and this platform, it makes our word a little bit more difficult to get out there. But so thank you for that.
You are so welcome. Are there any questions out there? As Karl said, if you do have any questions, please feel free to contact himself directly. Do you have any contact information for yourself, Karl?
Yes, I mean, I can be reached at I email myself very often, but cwallen@peerlesschain.com.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Thank you guys for joining us today, and we will be back for our next presenter, LiftTechs.